Hi everyone, my name's Kathy, welcome to Skint Living UK. Here's another £1 or less meal. This is more of a traditional spaghetti carbonara without using shop bought carbonara sauce. And as you can see, all it uses is some pasta. I've used a cheap packet of spaghetti, a quarter of a packet, 25%. This is 27p at the moment in Asda, also at Aldi, and I've cooked it for 10 minutes in salty water because I like it soft, but you might want to cook it for 7 or 8 if you like it al dente. I've cooked 1 rasher of bacon, so this packet costs £1.65 for 8 rashers, so the piece of bacon's about 20p. And I've used some cheese. You can use Italian posh cheese if you want, like a pecorino or parmesan. I only had cheddar in, and this was £2.45, and I've used 40 grams. I've cooked 2 egg yolks in a pan with the cheese and some of the pasta water, and made the carbonara sauce. So this has slowly bubbled away while the pasta was cooking,